All right, so now on the upside, we're gonna be going over sell limit orders. A sell limit order is a good way to take profit when you're away from your computer or hit that certain target price automatically. So we need to re-enter into a trade. So we're gonna keep the chart that we have, and let's say we buy back at that 207. So here we are, we just got filled for 207.17 or better, which in this case would be lower. We'll just say it was at 207.17. And before we let it play out, we're actually going to lower our stop loss a little more to 182, and then we're gonna have our sell limit at 275. You could have multiple orders on one stock. So if the stock goes below 182, it is going to sell for a stop loss. I'm going to take a loss. But if it goes all the way up to 275, we have our sell limit set, and that is where we're going to be taking profit. So let's let it play out and see what happens. And look at that. We end up hitting almost the very top. We almost called the top in this case, and we get sold for that 275. And you can see right here, we will get filled for 275 or better. Just like a limit order, our buy limit order, we're going to enter the trade whether it is at that desired price of 207.17 or better. But when it comes to a sell limit, we're going to exit the trade at 275, whatever our sell limit is, or better. In this case, it would be higher. All right, so now we're going to go over a sell limit order. So back on TD Ameritrade, we're going to click one of the ETFs that I already have. I'm going to hit reduce position. We're going to select one, make sure it's a sell, and then limit. That's already done. So then for price, the current price that it's trading for, you can see up at the top, kind of the top left-hand corner, it says $242.63. We can see our ask and bid. There's a little bit of a spread. $242.57 is the bid, and then 69 cents is the ask. Let's say we want to hit $250. We think maybe over the next couple of weeks or maybe even days it will reach that price. So we're going to hit done, and let's just make sure everything's right. So we got sell action, type is limit, one share at the price of $250. Now, if you're day trading, you would keep expiration at day, but because we're not, I'm going to change it to good till cancel. And then it even allows us to pick a date. So we can say, hey, cancel this after April 29th. So we'll keep it there. You can change it to whatever you want. We're going to hit review order, and then you can see our expiration is good till cancel. It shows the expiration date. Position quantity, we're going to be selling one. We're going to hit place order. And then you can see right here, it's open. The current market price is $242.60, and our limit sell is for $250. Because we're selling and it's a limit order, it is going to sell for $250 or better. So in that case, it's going to be $250 or higher.